My name's Lee Stewart. I'm the Business Development Manager for Valleys Kids here at the factory and also the Director of Valleys Creative, the social enterprise. We're a home to a lot of creative industry businesses, so we offer rented accommodation, serviced accommodation with media suites and meeting rooms in addition to their own private spaces. We're here in an old building, but we're moving towards the knowledge-based economy. We need the businesses to be agile, effective and efficient. Because a lot of them are creative businesses that have rich content, they need to be able to manipulate that content, get it to places quickly and effectively. And we've been looking at the rollout programme for quite a while. We wanted to be one of the first to get it. We knew what we wanted, so we just put in the request and basically it happened within 24-48 hours. There was no problem at all. Before we had superfast broadband, it was, to be honest, a bit of a nightmare because people had to wait overnight to do something or take their turn in the queue, and then there were lots of complaints, so it was just frustrating for everyone. People are working a lot more smartly now with it, and the systems are there for them to do that. We're currently getting around 20-21 for upload and 79-81 for download. It's exceptional. I think it's a no-brainer for businesses. I think every business should have it, particularly those that have rich content and have multimedia activities going on. I think it's essential. Previously, as roads and canals and all of those things were of their time, it's superfast. That's absolutely critical now.